Hello, Redditors! Today, we're diving into the world of personalized Reddit experiences. In just 1 minute, I'll show you how to create custom feeds tailored specifically to your interests. Let's jump right in. First, open the Reddit app or head over to the Reddit website. Make sure you're signed in to your account for a smooth experience. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the screen and click on them. From the drop-down menu, find and click on the Feeds option. This is where the magic happens. Next, tap on Create a Custom Feed. This amazing feature lets you select content based on specific topics, subreddits, or keywords. Give your custom feed a name that represents what you want to see, whether it's tech tips, travel adventures, or even memes. After naming your feed, start adding subreddits or keywords that align with your interests. Reddit will then pull content from these sources and organize it all into your personalized custom feed. And that's it! You've just learned how to create custom Reddit feeds in under a minute. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Redditing!